My name is Marcus McClatchy, and today we'll be talking about the multi-course and the course list. So when we go into the multi-course, and then the drop-down box will show you what courses you can go into and what courses that are basically which courses you can be able to at the time. But when you hit enter, you can go straightly into the courses. And within here, we can see that the course list is set up to have requirements for other courses. So you can see it on that in the semester 3 one, it requires semester 1 and 2 of the math. So when you open those, you can get into it and it's available. But if you don't do it, it's basically not available. And some courses are required for you to actually require 2 of them. So when we look at EGR 212, that enables the software engineering. And then if we go into the street structures of 225 to enable computer architecture, then we can that will enable to the EGR 425 on the very end of the real-time development, which that will only be enabled by 2 courses. If either or is turned off, it will basically turn off as far as its availability. And as we can see here, it turns off with either or, and if you switch to software engineering, same thing too. So when we look at the bottom to stylize, it's stylized to be color coordinated and set up. If we go into the side where the extra details itself, will show that these are actually just for courses that are just generally based. So Christian and Intercultural Studies will have all the courses that are available for that course, that current major, and will be basically what is be counted as that. And if we go back to courses, and then we scroll down to the history and political science, and this would go into the same thing as for this one, would be what is available for that specific career field as a main general ed requirement. And then when we go back to courses, it will be saved into course list, basically will save into the graduation page of all the progress that will be basically in, and what will be saved. Now going back to courses, we can see that there's another button called Your Progress. This basically is supposed to be its own setup for the graduation page, would be what progress you have. It keeps track of everything, so you have a clear idea what is what, and what's going to keep track of how many credits there are, how many points, and then you kind of just have an idea of what is going to be set up for it. And basically, this is technically the entirety of the course list. If we do click one of the buttons that are hidden out, you can see that we can't get into them. I guess if we click on political labs or anything, yeah, it requires other courses just to show you that they cannot be clicked at all. But that is basically the multi-course and the course list.
Hi everyone, I'm Ezekiel Ramirez and I'll be showing us the login page. So to start, let's put in some information through the sign up page. Sign up. I'll put in some information about my student information. So 693999, and password I will make up is cone23 with the capital C. Then sign up. And here on my profile page you can see my student information, my full name, and my student email address. And if we were to update the Firebase information, we shall see that my information was correctly saved to the Firebase. Here it is. Timestamp of today at the correct time. And if I wanted to change any of my information, I can do so from the website itself. Done. The name stays updated and the new timestamp is correct. And that is the login and sign up page for Course Planner. Thank you for watching.